Audience, my name is Olukolo Habib, the founder of MOOC ICT 19 YouTube channel. Today, I'm here to teach you how to use Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word. If you don't have Microsoft Word on your phone, you have to download it on your phone through your Play Store. If you don't have your Microsoft Word on your if you don't have on your phone, then if you have on your phone, you have to update it. Whenever you want to activate it, you have to update by clicking on it and updating your Play Store. So I already have it on I already have it on my phone. So let's click on Word. When you click on Word, it loads and bring out the document out. And to start new document, you just have to click on this plus sign at the top right corner of your phone. Then you create in document. You have three places which you can create. It's either you create on cloud or you create on this device. Click on this device to document. And when you click on that, you see different template of Microsoft Word document. Then you click on blank document. When you click on blank document, it brings out the working space to create your document. Assuming you have let me quickly show you all the command tools you have on your workspace. You have this dotted line, vertical dotted line, which when you want to share your documents, share as PDF, save your document, save as, and read out loud when you want the phone to read what you have typed in, and heading print if you want to print out the documents. We also have the settings of Microsoft Word. Don't need that for now. Then when you start, we also have the mobile view. This is the mobile view activated. The mobile view is activated, and when you click it, it brings out the print layout. Then let's click back on it. That's the mobile view. And we also have Finder. Finder, when you want to find a word, then we have the edit tool here, and where it brings you to your keypad to type. Let's take this off. Then to start, let's type in a word. I'm trying to create a lesson note. Let's click on this. Then ICT. You click on ICT as a ICT. Then as a heading. Then what do you need to do for an heading? You have to bold. You double click on it. Then you click on your bold icon. This B. It's broaden your text. Then you need to change this font size. You see, I'm clicking on 12. Then you need to change the font style. And when you click on this is the Calibri. We have the default to be Calibri. Then you click on Calibri to select another font size. Let's say Algerian. Let's click on Algerian. Is there. Now you need as the heading, you need to align your ICT to the center of the screen. Now you click on this arrow, this middle arrow by your right. Then you click on alignment. We have it alignment to the left, we have alignment to center, we have alignment to right, and we have justification. You click on alignment to center. Good. And that's that. Then how to change your text casing. Then you click on the arrow. When you click on the arrow here, you move the screen. You move your screen to more formatting. When you click on more formatting, you see subscript, superscript, and change case. Now let's change case. We need as the heading of our topic, we need uppercase. Then you click on uppercase, and can you see that ICT is now in a uppercase text. Now you click on your enter and you click on your delete key. When you delete, it takes your cursor to the left corner to the left corner of your phone. Now let's start. What is ICT? Now you can take back your font size to default. The Calibri light is the default. Now we are clicking on it, and you can also change your font size to be 11 as the body as the font of the body of your document. Now what is ICT? Now let's unactuate the bold. Now we have unactuated, you have deactivate the bold command. Now let's type what is ICT in bold question mark. Now ICT, let's keep typing, then we change our format later. ICT is a science or study of how information is retrieved and convey conveyed from one medium to another with the aid of communication device. Now let's quickly edit our text. Now you highlight your ICT, then you capitalize it by clicking on your control key and ICT. Now let's bold down ICT. You click your bold icon, ICT. Now communication device, you can also highlight, you can change the highlight color. Now let's change the highlight color to denote communication device, because we want to talk about communication device now. Then let's change the color, the highlight color. You click on this icon, then let's click on yellow. Then also let's highlight it again and change the color of the text to red, alarming color, and click on red. That's how to change color. This A underlined with color. Now we are done with that. And you can change the color back to the default automatic. Then that's your highlight color to back to no fill. Now we've changed the setting back. Now let's talk about communication device as another topic. Communication device. Now let's make use of our formatting. Then you click change tools. Now we want to use the capitalize each word. Now let's click on capitalize each word. You see we have the starting communication, C for communication, your C to be capital letter, and the device also is capital letter. Now let's move this to the center. Let's move it. Okay, we can put it there. Then let's bold it. You click on bold. Now communication device. Now press your enter key. Communication device, you unactivate your bold back, then communication device is also known as ICT device. So therefore, ICT device. So therefore, ICT device are electronic device that makes retrieval and conveying of information easier and faster. That's that. Now let's give this an alarming color, red with bold. Now that's ICT. Now let's highlight these two. We are creating a document. Highlight yellow. Then you click on that red, alarming red. Now that's it, ICT device. Now let's, at least I've taught you how to use ICT. I've taught you how to use the bold command, then your bold command, your changing of font size and the font style, and also changing the orientation of your text, then alignment of your text. Now let's go to ICT. I implies information. C implies communication. And T implies technology. Now let's highlight all the text to change the case So change the case to capitalize each word. Now that's each word has the starting of each word has a capital letter. Now we can also bold all this information to is bold, and we can also use bullets. Now let's make use of bullets. You can directly click it in your home view or home view, or you click on this bullet. You come here over here and change the bullet style. Let's change the bullet style to this. Now that's that. Now Examples of ICT device. Examples. Let's deactivate the board. Example of ICT device. Now assuming I want to let me quickly teach you the italic style command. Now I've highlighted this my information, and I'm clicking on this this slant I, then undo the bold, and I'm clicking on this slanted slant to the right then you can see the words are slant to the right, head it has slant to the right side. That's the function of the italic command. Now example of ICT devices are, now let's use our bullet again, then we change the style. Let's change the style of the bullet to this. Now example of ICT are computer system, then smart watch, smart phone, diagnose, automobile, diagnose to diagnose device, then medical, diagnose devices, now we also have electronic, billboard, then etc. Now that's how to use your bullets. You can change this style of the bullet, and you can also change the style of the bullet. Now we have two types of bullet here. The first one is the one I used to denote inform ICT, and the second one is this. You also have other ones there in the options. When you click on bullets, you click on this arrow. When you are in the home page, you click on the arrow, then you locate the bullets command. You click on the right arrow, the right angle arrow again, and you can see all types of bullets we have, styles we have here. We have almost 6 styles. So 2. You can also do that with your numbering. Your numbering also has a style. Click on it, then numbering. You can see numbering. We have the numbering. When you click on your numbering command, we have numbers. It numbers your stated words. Now let's go back to the bullet. Undo. Let's click on undo. This is your undo at the upper right corner of your screen. Now let's click on undo. Now we are back we are back on the document. Now let's click on enter, then you click on your delete key, to undo the bullets, to unactivate the bullets command. Now computer 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 system computer system is our new topic. Now let's highlight it and bold. Then let's go to our case more formatting option. Then click on change case, capitalize each word. Now that's our computer system. Now you can, let me quickly show you how to underline. When you highlight your text like this, then you click on this U icon at the middle center beside the italic and the highlight command. Then when you click on it, you can see it has underlined. Now let's use this as our heading too. Then you can also move it right by clicking on this icon near to the numbering icon to move your text. Can you see it's moving right to the right, it's moving to the right. Then you can also use your alignment for straightforward orientation. Let's click on center alignment. Now let's undo the command we used before. Enter, delete. Then you highlight it, you highlight your text, then go to the option here, then center alignment. Now it's already set to the center with underlined and underlined. Now let's quickly write a document about computer. Now your delete key, computer system, computer. You undo the bold, you deactivate the bold icon and the underline icon and underline command, bold command and the underlined command. Now let's start from here. Computer system is an electronic device which accepts data, stores it, which accept data, process it, process and store it, and gives out information as a result. Now let's bold our computer system. You click on the bold. Then you can also change the color of the font by clicking on what? By clicking on the A color, A on your home page. Then you click on red. So that is how it works. Now you also have some other command which we have in the home. When you click on your arrow here, arrow key, you have the home. We have the home, we have the insert, we have the draw, we have the layout. I've taught layout, print layout, and mobile layout, review and view. Now in my second video, I'm going to teach you how to use the insert and the draw command. Insert and the draw command. Now let me quickly show you how to save your documents. Now you click on this vertical dotted line, then you click on save as. And when you save as, don't save on OneDrive, that is saving on the cloud. You click on this device, and you click on documents. Let's save it at lesson 1. Now you click on your save. Then